You might often access your Windows applications by using the relevant shortcut icons. But one day, you click a shortcut icon and you see an error message that reads something like this. If you happen to have the same issue, here's what you can try to troubleshoot it. Now, the easiest way is to ensure that the target program is in its original folder. Do it by navigating to the folder where the shortcut file is, then right-click on it, select Properties, navigate to Shortcut tab, and check the file path indicated in the target box and ensure that it is correct. But if you're still having some issues, repair the target app by opening Run, type in the following, then press OK. Now select the target program, right-click on it, and then select Uninstall. Now you have to follow the on-screen steps and then restart your device. Then from there, download your Windows application from a safe website. And that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.